Good morning. It's about 9 o'clock and the kids have been sent off to school. They are getting their day started and I'm about to as well. Yeah, yesterday was fun, wasn't it? I'm still feeling really great today. I woke up this morning at 5:30 and was just like, I'm ready to get up. I got up and I knit a little bit. I just finished editing my vlog from yesterday. Today is a sculpting day for the Advent. So again, no studio recording today. Hope you're all doing well. I'm gonna get to work and I'm gonna put my hair up because I can't have it in my face while I'm working. Alright, we are getting ready to go get the kids, and yeah, and we have to do a grocery pickup. I'm taking my lunch plate back up to the kitchen. But we're gonna go do a grocery pickup right after we get them and come back home and make a quick supper, and then I'm going back to work. I will probably be working most evenings this week, but once I'm done with that, things should slow down a little bit other than orders. So, yeah, we're going to head out here soon, and I'm going to take my newly cast on socks because I have wanted to knit on them all day, so this is a wonderful opportunity to do that. Rora, who you got with you? Got Phoebe?
My like jello. Jello.
Okay, we're back. Oh, we've been back for a while. I've been working. It's about 7 o'clock. So the kids are getting their showers, or Rory's getting her shower. Will take his in the morning. And then they're gonna get ready for bed. And I'm going to do one more batch in the oven. I've got one more design to do for the Advent, and then I will finish sculpting those tomorrow and work on orders too, of course. So I'm gonna do that real quick and go help Adam with the kids. Sounds like he might need it.